How to add an admin to your Instagram business account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on a device. Make sure your account is a business or creator account. You can confirm this by checking if you see the professional dashboard on your profile page. If you don't see this, you'll need to switch your personal account to the business or creator account. To do that, go to your settings and select the switch to professional account option. Once you are sure your account is set up as a business, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Look for the section labeled For Professionals and Creator Tools and Controls. Tap it, and within this section, you will see an option called Connect a Facebook Page. This is a crucial step. Instagram does not allow you to directly add an admin. Instead, you need to link your Instagram account to a Facebook page. Tap on Connect a Facebook Page and follow the prompts to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Once that's done, the next steps will take place in the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app and make sure you have logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now you'll need to switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page. Once you do that, you'll need to head towards the menu page again. Then click on the settings icon. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different section. Under audience and visibility, you'll find the option page setup. Click on it. Now navigate to the option page access. Click on it. Here you will see a list of people who currently have access to the page. To add a new admin, tap on Add New. Now search for the person's name to whom you want to add as an admin. Either enter the email or the number. Once selected, you can assign them full control or specific permissions. After making your choice, confirm by tapping Give Access. Now type in your Facebook password and you'll be good to go. The person you have added will now have admin access to your Facebook page and by extension your linked Instagram account. And that's it. You have successfully added an admin to your Instagram business account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.